Let's take a look at Amped Replay, the easy-to-use video player for first-level analysis of media evidence designed for police investigators. In the centre of the Play tab, you'll see the image or video file that has been loaded. At the top, you'll find Replay's tabs for each part of the software. To the right of this is the File Info section showing you any metadata details. Here you'll see the options dedicated to motion detection. Following this is where you can input the information about the case you're working on. At the bottom of the interface, you can see the player tools, including the ability to add or remove bookmarks, the option to select a portion of a video file, and where you can show or hide the audio or the motion detection plot if this is in use to better suit your work. Replay allows you to run motion detection analysis within a video to help speed up identifying moments of interest within a long file. The threshold can be adjusted as needed to tailor the analysis to your particular file, and a specific region of the video can be selected to narrow this down even further. Motion bookmarks will be automatically added when selecting Add Motion Events bookmarks. Using the Recent tab, you have instant access to your recent projects, saving you valuable time when searching for previous work. These are cached to your PC, but can be reset and deleted using the right-click menu if required. Double-clicking a project here will load it instantly into the Play tab. The Import tab lets you use a directory browser from within Replay to locate and load media files directly into the software. Proprietary video files can be dragged and dropped into Replay for instant conversion and loading, and the File Info section will report that the file has been converted under the file status. Replay allows the use of basic file corrections under the Enhanced tab, empowering frontline staff to apply quick and easy enhancements such as deinterlacing or adjusting contrast and brightness. Any applied corrections can be included and documented in a report. Replay projects can also be exported and provided to an analyst for import using Amped 5 for more advanced work, as Replay uses the same scientific methods behind the scenes for both conversion and enhancement. Replay includes a powerful suite of easy-to-use, high-quality annotation tools for instant and professional presentation of image or video evidence. Hiding a subject either by pixelation or blur can make use of Annotate's tracking feature and keyframe selection, meaning redaction can be formed quickly and accurately. Tracking can also be applied to other annotations depending on what your project requires. The Annotate tab also includes tools such as the ability to magnify or highlight a subject or object, add text, load an image such as a company logo, draw an arrow or a shape, and freehand draw. Replay has been designed to be quick and easy to use whilst remaining forensically sound. Replay also allows for the instant redaction of sensitive audio from within a media file.
Mrs. Pantalone, get out of the car. Put your hands up.
Once the audio is identified,
Mrs. Pantalone,
simply hold the Alt key and drag the slider across the portion of audio for instant redaction.
get out of the car. Put your hands up.
The sound will be replaced with a tone, and a text overlay stating redaction has been applied will appear on the video. Once you're happy with your media processing, such as corrections, annotations or redactions, you can export an image, the original video, the processed video, the audio track, any bookmarks, or the project to share with another colleague or agency. Replay also allows for a report to be generated for documenting your actions or adding to your case notes, meaning that your entire workflow from acquisition to documentation is taken care of within one application. If you'd like more information on AMPed Replay, then please check out our website, our blog, our social pages, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AMPed content in the future.